In this video we are going to show you how to remove the speedometer cluster from Porsche 911 2005, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is the size T20 Torx screwdriver and a dashboard removal tool. The removal is very simple, and then we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. In the first step, you drop the steering wheel down and forward all the way, and then you pop up this dust cover for the steering column right underneath the cluster. You just pop it out, and underneath there are two size T20 Torx screw, one on the right and one on the left side. And once you get these two screws out, and then you can grab the underneath and the top of the cluster, and then you pull it forward, and that's it. The cluster has only one connector on the driver's side, and you just need to, has a clip in there. You need to rotate that clip, and then the connector comes out. This is just a sample of the connector for this cluster. As you can see, you just rotate this pink clip to get the plugs out. You just push this clip in and then rotate it, and then you can get this plug out. And then the installation is the opposite. You just push it in and just rotate it back.